Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by shutting off the incoming water and opening the tap to relieve pressure. This prevents a mess and protects seals. Once done, remove decorative caps and unscrew the handle using the appropriate tool, keeping parts in order. Make sure to spray penetrating oil on stuck fasteners and let it sit a minute. You'll learn why orientation matters. The spindle's flats and grooves must match the cartridge housing when you reinstall for proper sealing and smooth operation. Once the handle and escutcheon are off, remove the packing nut or clip and withdraw the spindle carefully. Pull straight to avoid damaging the seat. You should inspect the spindle for scoring, pitted surfaces, or worn flats. These cause leaks and poor shutoff. Clean mineral deposits with vinegar or a mild descaler and replace worn O-rings and seals. A new spindle is preferable when metal is deformed. Then verify the valve seat is smooth so the new part will seal properly. Now fit the replacement spindle, making sure you match the original orientation. Lubricate O-rings lightly with plumber grease so they seat without folding. Once in place, resecure the packing nut to a firm, not over tight, torque and reassemble the handle and caps. Turn the water back on slowly and cycle the tap several times to confirm smooth movement and no leaks. If you see weeping at the stem, tighten the packing a quarter turn or replace seals. That usually fixes minor leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.